spartsacademy.com presents
Wierd Cat
and Children
Sightings
1.0.
All right, this is Wierd Children sighting over here. There's one and two of them. Oh, there's another one, third one. Oh my goodness. All right, that's enough. Please make them go away. Oh, wait a minute. There's a cat. Oh yes, this is Dad's first official Wierd Cat sighting and confusing children Wierd sighting. Sighting everything. Oh, no, he's going somewhere else. The good thing about the cat sighting is that at least the cat doesn't fight back. Oh, what happens to the light? No. All right.
Gotcha.
And now we have officially both Wierd Cat and children sighting. First.
Wow, that was weird.
Wow, that was weird. Only at spartsacademy.com.